Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tushari's Math Academy. Today we are going to do grade 10 English medium, second term, parallelograms. Part 1 and part 2, both are in this video. That is the 16th chapter and the 17th chapter. Both lessons go together, so I thought of doing in one video. Right. Okay. Parallelogram. By now, you know what is a parallelogram, right? Under the first chapter, that is 16th chapter, we are learning about the features of the parallelogram. Features of a parallelogram. How do you get okay? Right. You can see the screen. Right. Now we'll see how to learn the features of a parallelogram. Actually, you know rectangle, right? Rectangle. Parallelogram is formed using a rectangle. I do a small push to this. Then what will happen? It will get slant, right? There you get a parallelogram, right? පොඩි කාලේ අපි කියන්නේ කිරිබත් කෑල්ල. Right? Okay. Then when you have a square, you give a small push to this. Then what will happen? It will get the small parallelogram. That's a shell name. That is rhombus. Right? Okay. Most of the features are there. Now rhombus, all the sides are equal. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, like rectangle. Right? Okay. Later we'll do those. Now we'll go to the parallelogram. Right. Now, opposite in this chapter, we are learning features of a parallelogram. The first feature, opposite sides are equal. Look at this. These two sides are parallel. This is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. That's the first feature. Second feature, opposite sides are equal. This side equal to this side. This side equal to this side. Then opposite angles are equal. This angle equals to this angle. Opposite angle, not all the angles. Opposite. This angle equals to this angle. Next one, diagonals bisect each other. These are the diagonals. We have two diagonals. This diagonal equals to this diagonal. And this diagonal equals to this diagonal. Right? And the diagonals bisect the area. What do you mean by that? By using this diagonal, this diagonal, we can divide the parallelogram into two parts. Areas are same. If this is the whole parallelogram is 50, this triangle area is 25. This is also 25. Right? Now you can get the parallelogram like this. You can draw the diagonal like this. Then you get this is equal to this area. Right? Okay. Right. We go to the next part of that. That is the part 2, 7 chapter. Right? Now we under 16th chapter we learn the features of a parallelogram. Under 17th chapter we are learning how to prove a quadrilateral as a parallelogram. Right? That's the summary of that. Right? Now you get most of the time in the paper you get questions. They give a quadrilateral, just give a quadrilateral. We have to prove this as a parallelogram, right? If you can you remember congruency? In congruency, we had 5 cases. 4 cases. We have 4 cases. Then you SSS, SAS, AS, RHS. To prove the two triangles are congruent, we use one of the cases. No, we are not using all the cases and proving the parallelogram. Likewise, to prove the quadrilateral as a parallelogram, we have 5 cases. Right? The first case is pair of opposite sides are equal, parallel. Pair of opposite sides are parallel. In a quadrilateral, if we can show the two opposite sides are parallel each other, that's the parallelogram, right? Second pairs of opposite sides are equal. Opposite side, now this is a parallelogram. If you can show this equals this and this equals this, that's a parallelogram. Pairs of opposite angles. If I can prove this angle equals this angle equals this angle, that is also parallelogram. Next one, this feature is very, very important. I'll explain that here with a new diagram. A pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel and equal. One pair, here we don't take all the pairs, one pair, take this pair, these two are parallel, equal each other, then that's also parallelogram. Next one, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals, you draw two diagonals. If you can show this equals this and this equals this, that is also parallelogram, right? You have 5 cases. You can use one of the cases to show a parallelogram, to show a quadrilateral as a parallelogram, right? I assume you can understand this lesson very well. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you can get the future lessons also. Thank you for watching my video.